80% ang lupa solid and strong, 15% cemento building along, 5% ang bakal holding inside, equals ang pera na busa shining bright. Foundation set with every grain, cemento binds through sun and rain, bakal stand with strength and grace, pera ay nabusa in every place. From the ground to the sky we rise and grow, mixing dreams with sweat, watch and flow. DPWH paving, making it last, pera nabusa, future birth from the past. From the ground to the sky we rise and grow, mixing dreams with sweat, watch it flow. DPWH paving, making it last, pera nabusa, future built from the past. Pera nabusa, future built from the past.